Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is May 22nd, and they are good up until Saturday, May 28th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload weekly videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Also guys, there will be a Google document linked in the description box below of the deals that I did in this transaction, just in case you guys would like to check that out. So in this transaction, I did use a digital booster, get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $60. And then it is also my birthday month, so I got some extra Walgreens cash for that as well. And so the first deal that we're going to start with is going to be both of these Airwick essential oils, the 2-pack. These are priced at Walgreens this week for $7.49, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $7.49. The second one will ring up half off at $3.75. So $7.49 plus $3.75 is $11.24. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens app. I actually clipped that coupon a while back, so you may or may not have it on your account, but just check and see. So with using that buy one get one free coupon, is going to take off a total of $6.50. So $11.24 minus $6.50, that brought my total down to $4.74 for both, or it makes each one just $2.37. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Colgate Total toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus the $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2, making these toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. And those toothpaste are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus the $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $2.98. And then you will receive back a $3 registry reward for purchasing 2, making them completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Garnier Fruit Teas shampoo and conditioners. And these are priced at Walgreens this week at 2 for $7. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 store coupon. So you're going to purchase 2 at $7 total. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7 minus the $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total to $4. And then you will receive back this $4 store coupon for purchasing 2, making both products completely free. So this is a nice, easy deal to do this week at Walgreens, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am re-recording over this Palmolive deal because I explained it incorrectly. So online, these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $2.49. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, making them just $1.49 for 2, or 74 cents for each one. But in store, I thought that was the same price in store, but unfortunately it is not. So I purchased a total of 8, and each one rung up at $2.49. So guys, do not make that mistake again. I should have scanned the product in store to see if they were ringing up at 2 for $2.49. But because I didn't, I ended up paying $2.49 each. I could go to the store and return it, but I'm not, because I really need Palmolive in my stockpile. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know on that, because I explained the deal as the online deal, what they are ringing up for $2.49. I don't even know if that's like what they're supposed to ring up at online, but they are. So If you would like to stock up, most definitely order them online and then go and pick them up at the store. So $2.49 minus the $1 digital coupon will bring it down to $1.49 just for one. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed the 3 packages of the Bounty paper towels, the 4 equals 8 double rolls. And these are priced at Walgreens for $8.99. I purchased 3. So $8.99 times 3 is $26.97. I did have an $8 off of 3 digital coupon on my account. So $26.97 minus that $8 digital coupon brought my total down to $18.97 for all 3 packages. But I knew that I was going to use a digital booster, so that's why I went ahead and grabbed those 3 packages. So that is everything. Oh, and very last item, you guys, I went ahead and grabbed this Big Flex 3 razor. This is priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, making this just 99 cents. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and just show you all my receipts. So there's both of the Airwick at buy one get one 50% off. The first one at $7.49, second one at $3.74. Both Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, so $7.98. And there are all of the Palmolives at $2.49 each. And then there's my Garnier Fructis, both of those at 2 for $7. My other Colgate toothpaste at $2.99 each, so $5.98. All 3 packages of my Bounty paper towels at $8.99, so $26.97. And then my Big Flex razor at $4.99. So the only issue that I had with this transaction is that one of my digital coupons didn't come off. My $3 digital coupon did not come off for the Colgate toothpaste priced at $2.99. The one priced for $3.99, the $4 digital came off for that one, but just not the $3 for the toothpaste price at $2.99. But I did contact customer service and they did go ahead and credit that $3 to my account. So in this transaction, I used 2 registry rewards from last week deals. All of my digital coupons came off except that one $3 digital coupon for the Colgate. So my subtotal is $49.57, but I have to factor in those 2 $4 registry rewards that I use, so a total of $8 in registry rewards. So instead of my subtotal being $49.57, it actually is $57.57. And then when you look down here, I did earn $29.56. Of that $29, $4 came from the Colgate purchasing 2. $15 came from me spending $60. And then the rest of the $10.56 came from my birthday month and the extra everyday Walgreens points. So total of $29.56. So $57.57 minus $29.56. That brought my total down to $28.01. And then I got back my $7 in registry rewards, the $4 store coupon for the Garnier, and then the $3 registry reward for the Colgate. So that's $7. So $28.01 minus $7 brings my total down to $21.01. And then I contacted customer service for my $3 back for the Colgate toothpaste for that digital not coming off. So $21.01 minus that $3 from customer service brought my total down to $18.01. And then I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back a total of 251 points, which is 25 cents. So $18.01 minus the 25 cents that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to $17.76 for all of these items, or it makes each item just 88 cents. And yes, guys, I want all of my savings, so I did include the 25 cents into this transaction. So $17.76 for all of this, you guys. And as you guys, some of you may know, I do sell my household bundles. So when I sell this, that is going to more than make up for the $17.76 that I paid out of pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys are getting this week from Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it for now, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.